You got it, boy. Up, 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 up. Yeah, Jeff. Yeah, buddy. You got it, yeah. You got it, boy. Yeah. Woo! A little easier today. Yeah. What's going on here? Whew.
Yeah, just wondering.
Oh, it's Swiftwater Rescue. Should we eddy out? Eddy out. Eddy out.
No, I'm just gonna go.
No, buddy, go. Don't go. Don't go. Don't go. Have a line across.
Right, let's go.
I think I saw the guy do an eddy out sign. That's why I was like, hey, we should pull over.
Yeah, I don't know. I know, right?
How'd it go?
Good. You know, you probably felt too. You pull out.
Yeah.
And you're not really balanced well.
No, not at all.
You're really having.
You have to really work all the way around.
Yeah.
And I wasn't sure. I waited for these guys to go because I was like, I cannot see what these guys are like. They have ropes in the water. This guy like, he just kept whistling, and I'm like,
right.
What the fuck?
Is there something submerged? Like somebody should be signaling. Do you guys know? Doesn't everybody know that?
Yeah.
Hey, okay.
Yeah.
Come on down.
Yeah. Was that guy telling us to eddy out? I couldn't tell.
I hate when other people blow whistles because they don't know
Yeah.
what's going on. I was like, what do you mean?
Yeah, exactly.
Don't need him to go faster.
Yeah, I'm kind of like in a bad, precarious spot.